Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. We are now 10 days away from Christmas, and I don't know about you, but today feels like it should be Friday, but we're almost there. Now this morning we will be talking about the exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. But first I wanted to let you know that TipRanks is having a sale on their Smart Investor newsletter where you can save $200. The newsletter crunches down all of the big data for investors who don't have all the time in the world to do the research, saving you time and money. It comes out every Wednesday, detailing the top 20 to 25 long-term stocks according to all TipRanks data. You can find a link to the sale in the comment section down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning as investors digest the message from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell yesterday. The interest rate hike was as expected at 0.5%, but the future outlook for rate increases still remains a bit unclear. Right now, Dow futures are down 0.77%, S&P 500 futures down 0.97%, and NASDAQ futures down 1.24%. The SEC did release new proposals for the stock market, one of them being measures that would affect the popular payment for order flow. The proposals are now subject to a period of public comment. Shares of Tesla are falling this morning as Elon Musk has once again sold more of his Tesla stock. The Tesla stock fell over 2.5% yesterday and is down about 1.5% in the pre-market currently after the Tesla CEO sold about $3.6 billion in his Tesla stock. While the exact reason for the stock sale wasn't made clear, many believe that it is probably related to Twitter. Musk sold about 22 million shares over the week, but still holds about 424 million shares of the Tesla stock. The Tesla stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 90%. Verizon is offering a year of free Netflix as they launch their new streaming marketplace. Their Plus Play hub is now in beta mode for Verizon's mobile 5G home and LTE home internet customers. They said that our content hub helps you manage entertainment, news, lifestyle, and gaming subscriptions and comes with a year of free Netflix Premium on us. Plus Play will help customers keep track of their subscriptions, view what they've already purchased through Verizon, and monitor how much those subscriptions cost each month. It's the first platform of its kind and puts customers in control. Analysts currently rate the Verizon stock a hold with an average upside of 22%. Microsoft is expanding their presence in the EV world with a recent investment in a battery manufacturer. They've invested their Climate Innovation Fund into Group 14 Technologies. This startup manufactures silicon battery technology and aims to reduce battery costs and boost the charging time of EVs. Microsoft is one of the investors in their recent $214 million additional financing round, but the amount invested by Microsoft remains undisclosed. The Microsoft stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 13%. And it seems that it is smooth flying ahead for Spirit Airlines and JetBlue's merger. In a recent SEC filing, they said that they had received requests for additional information regarding their merger from the U.S. antitrust regulators back in September, and on December 12th, they said that they certified substantial compliance with this request. They continue to anticipate that the merger will close no later than the first half of 2024. The Spirit Airlines stock is currently rated a moderate sell with an upside of 27%, and the JetBlue stock is rated a hold with an average upside of 21%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. The pre-market is very quiet this morning, and in the after hours today, we'll be hearing from Adobe. In the after hours last night, we did hear from home builder Lennar. Their stock is down despite beating on earnings and revenue based on a weak future outlook. They said that their new orders outlook for the first quarter reflected continued weakness in the housing market. Their fourth quarter earnings per share of $5.02 did beat expectations by 12 cents per share, and revenue of $10.17 billion beat by $90 million and was up over 20% year over year. Their new orders in the quarter did decrease 15%. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 9%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by AbCellera Biologics after a Goldman Sachs analyst initiated a buy rating on the stock. Trading under the ticker ABCL, the stock is up 7.3%. They're followed by iRhythm Technologies under IRTC up 6.9% and Turkcell under TKCE up 5.6%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Alight. They seem to be cooling off from gains earlier this week, though I wasn't able to find any distinct news. Trading under the ticker ALIT, the stock is down 9.8%. They're followed by BioCryst under BCRX, down 8.2%, and New Fortress Energy under NFE, down 5.9%. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you, and don't forget to check out that Smart Investor newsletter sale. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic Thursday, and I'll see you back here next time.